Welcome to Biology Bloopers. Today we're tackling RNA synthesis because who doesn't love a good RNA party? So RNA polymerase is like the DJ, reading the DNA blueprint and adding nucleotides to the growing RNA chain. But have you ever tried to read a promoter? It's like trying to decipher a secret code. And then there are introns, the unwanted guests to show up uninvited. Hey, I'm an intron, remove me. But messenger RNA is like a special delivery guy carrying genetic info from DNA to the ribosome. And transfer RNA, that's like the adapter making sure that the right amino acids get to the party. And let's not forget the nitrogenous bases, the building blocks of RNA, A, C, G, and U. It's like a molecular game of Tetris. So that's RNA synthesis in a nutshell, or should I say a nucleotide.
Welcome to Wildlife News. Today we're excited to take you on a journey through the fascinating world of genetics at the new exhibit at our local zoo. Here you'll learn how genetic information is translated into life. It all starts with the genetic code made up of codons, a sequence of 3 nucleotides that code for specific amino acids. These codons are read by transfer RNA or tRNA, which carries the appropriate amino acids to build polypeptide chains. It's like a puzzle where each codon has a matching anticodon on the tRNA. But how does it all work? Well, messenger RNA or mRNA carries the genetic information from the DNA to the ribosome, where translation happens, and ribosomal RNA or rRNA plays a crucial role in building the polypeptide chains. And don't forget about the start and stop codons. They're like punctuation marks on the genetic code, telling the cell when to start and stop building the polypeptide chain. So come visit the new exhibit at our local zoo and learn more about the amazing world of genetics. It's a journey you don't want to miss. I'm done.
Alright, welcome to Genius Sports Talk. Today we're breaking down chapter 12.3, prokaryotic and eukaryotic gene regulation. My name is Joe. Alright folks, let's start with the pros. Prokaryotic gene regulation. That is, it's like a tight-knit team where the operant is the coach and the operator is a star player. They work together to control gene expression, making sure the right genes are turned on or off at the right time. Anyways, just like any team, there's a difference between prokaryotics and eukaryotics. Eukaryotic gene regulation is like a playbook, alright? With differentiation and homeotic genes, I don't know how to pronounce it, calling the shots. And don't even get me started with the homeboy gene. Like, it's like the team's MVP. I mean, it's controlling development and identity. Something wild. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do genes really work? Well, it's like a game of how genes, where genes are turned on or off, and proteins are made or not made. And in eukaryotics, it's even more complex, with multiple layers of regulation. But that's what makes it so fascinating.
Thank you for tuning in for Junior Sports Talks. Join us next time as we tackle another exciting topic in biology.
Alright guys, breaking news. Genetic disaster strikes. Mutations are wreaking havoc on the natural world. We go live in our correspondent in the field, Dr. Maria Rodriguez, who has been tracking this genetic storm. Maria, what's the latest?
Thanks, Joe. I'm reporting live from the genetic disaster zone. Mutations are changes in DNA sequence, and they're causing chaos in the genetic code. Point mutations, frame shift mutations, and chromosomal mutations are all contributing to this genetic catastrophe. Whoa, I think that was an earthquake. And it's not just natural disasters like radiation and chemicals that are causing these mutations. Human activities like pollution, climate change, and exposure to mutagens are also to blame. The rate of mutations is increasing at an alarming rate, putting many species at risk. I think it's going to start to flood with mutations. But it's not all bad news. Some mutations can be helpful, leading to new traits and adaptations. In some cases, polyploidy, having multiple sets of chromosomes, can even be beneficial. For example, some plants have developed resistance to diseases through mutations. I think it's starting to calm down finally. However, insertions and deletions can have harmful effects, leading to genetic disorders and even extinction. And with the rise of environmental disasters like this one, the rate of mutations is increasing, putting many species at risks, like this unicorn. And even this was a mutagen. Look, it shrunk. We need to take action to reduce our impact on the environment and prevent further genetic damage. Back to you, Joe.
All right, I'm back. You already know. All right, thanks Maria for the report for the genetic disaster zone. Now remember, genetic disasters can happen at any moment, and it's crucial that we understand the effects of mutation and on our planet. Stay safe and stay informed. Start talking.
Wee. Jesus is black.
All right, ready? No.
And now there's a little pony.